Good morning children, this is class 9 maths class. Now we will start compound interest. Compound interest we have already started in previous class, but we have started exercise 2a. Now we will see exercise 2b. The first question of exercise 2b is calculate the difference between the simple interest and compound interest on rupees 4000 in 2 years at 8% per annum compounded yearly. Here principal is 4000, rate is 8%, time 2 year. Now we have to find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. First let us find out the simple interest for 2 years, that is PRT upon 100. Now principal is 4000, rate is 800, time is 2 year upon 100. Now this 2020 will cancel out, 8 to the 16, 4 the 64, 640 rupees will be the simple interest for 2 year. Now let us find out the compound interest for 2 years. Simple interest for the first year, PRT upon 100. Here P is equal to 4000 into 8 into 1 by 100. After solving this 200 will cancel out, 8 1 8 4 32, 320 rupees will be the simple interest for the first year. Now amount will be principal plus simple interest. 4000 plus 320, that is equal to 4320 rupees will be the amount for the first year. Now simple interest for the second year, PRT upon 100. Here the amount of the first year will become the principal for the second year. Now 4320 will be the principal into 8 into 1 upon 100. This 00 will cancel out, 5 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. This 4 will be cancelled out by this 5 by 0.8. Now 432 into 0.8 will be 345.6 rupees. Total compound interest will be 320 rupees plus 345.6, that is equal to 665.60 rupees. Now difference between compound interest and simple interest will be 665.60 minus 640, that is equal to 25.60 rupees. Now second question is, a man borrow 5000 at 12% compound interest payable every 6 months. He repays rupees 1800 rupees at the end of every 6 months. Calculate the third payment he has to make at the end of 18 months in order to clear the entire loan. Here principal is 5000 rupees, rate is 1200 rupees, and time 6 year. Every 6 year he is repaying. It means half year will be the time. Now interest for the first 6 month, PRT upon 100. Here time we will take it half year. Now principal is 500, rate is 12 rupees, 12% into 1 by 2 upon 100. Now 2 6 are 12, this 200 will cancel out, 50 into 6, that is equal to 300 rupees will be the simple interest for the first 6 months. Amount, principal plus simple interest, that is equal to 5000 plus 300, that is equal to 5300 rupees will be the amount. Amount paid, repaid, that is 1800. Balance amount will be 5300 minus 1800, that is equal to 3500. Now this 3500 will be the principal for the second 6 months. Now let us find out simple interest for the second 6 months will be PRT upon 100, that is 3500 into 12 and upon 1 by 2 into 100. This 00 will cancel out, 2 6 are 12, 35 into 6, that is equal to 210 rupees will be the simple interest for the second 6 months. Now we will find out the amount. P plus SI, that is 3500 plus 210, that is equal to 3710 rupees. Now amount paid again 1800 rupees. Balance amount will be 33,710 minus 1800, that is equal to 1910. Now simple interest for the 6 month. This amount will become the principal for the third 6 month. Now 1910 into 12 into 1 by 2 into 100. This 00 will cancel out, 2 6 are 12. Now 191 into 6 is equal. Now if we will divide this 191 by 10, we will get it 19.1 into 6, that is equal to 114.6. Now amount will be 1910 plus 114.60, that is equal to 2024.60 rupees will be our answer. Third question is, a man borrows 10,000 rupees at 5% per annum compound interest. He repays 35% of the sum borrowed at the end of the first year and 42% of the sum borrowed at the end of the second year. How much must he pay at the end of the third year in order to clear the debt? Children, here principal will be 10,000 rupees, rate 5%. Now interest for the first year, PRT upon 100, again we will apply the same formula. Here principal is 10,000 rupees into 5, rate is 5 into 1 upon 100, that is equal to 100 into 5, 500 rupees. Now amount will be 10,000 plus 500, that is equal to 10,500 rupees will be the amount. And how much money he is repaying? 35% of the money he borrowed. How much he is borrowing? 10,000 rupees he is borrowing. So 35 rupees, 35% of 10,000, that is equal to 3,500. Balance amount, this much money he is repaying. So how much money will be balance? 10,500 minus 3,500 rupees, that is equal to 7,000 rupees. Interest for the second year. This amount will become the principal for the next year. Now 7,000 into 5 into 1 upon 100, 0 will 2020 will cancel out, 70 into 5, that is equal to 350 rupees. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, that is equal to 7,350 rupees. Amount paid, again in second year 42% of the money he borrowed. So 42% into 10,000, that is equal to 4,200 rupees. Balance amount will be 7,350 minus 4,200, that is equal to 3,150 rupees. This will be the amount. Now interest for the third year, this amount will become the principal for the third year. Now 3,150 into 5 into 1 upon 100. After solving this, we will get it, this 0 will cancel out. Now when we will divide this number, 5 to the 10, and when we will cancel out this 315 by 2, we'll get it 157.5. So 157.5 will be the interest for the third year. Now amount, principal plus simple interest, 3,150 plus 157.50, that is equal to 3,307.50 rupees will be your answer. So we have completed this exercise 2B. Children, next we will see in the next video.